ओके तो फर्स्ट वन सौरभ आजा. First you log in here so that the online students can hear you. Can hear you. सिर्फ सुनना. ऑन सी कैमरा काम नहीं कर रहा है, कैमरा खराब है. ठीक है, कैमरा ऑन कर दो. उसमें नहीं आओ इधर. आओ आओ. और ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स इतना लेट से आप लोग क्यों ज्वाइन करते हैं? नहीं, अगर आपको इतना लेट से आना है तो आप नहीं आए, इससे बेटर है. ओके, एक मिनट.
Recording in progress.
जा.
Good morning, everyone. Respected chief directors of schools and all my dear. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for all of us because on August 1947 we got independence from British rule. Today is the 74th independence. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Lokmanya Tilak, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, and many others dedicated their entire life for from our country. Today we all are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. We have fundamental rights. We salute our great also who fight continuously on border to protect. Freedom is priceless. Thousand later should never forget their sacrifice. So it is our primary duty to work hard for growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not far. Our country will be strong and powerful in the future. Let us all pledge today to do our best to make our country the best of the world. Our flag does not fly because the wind moves it. It flies with the last breath of soldier who died for us. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
वेरी गुड. ओके नेक्स्ट. इसी को ले जा.
Good morning, everyone, respected chief guests, directors, sir, teachers, and my seniors, and welcome to the grand celebration of Independence Day. Today, we complete 75th years of independence. And what a long, what? 75th? Good morning, everyone, respected chief guests, directors, teachers, and my seniors, and welcome to the grand celebration of Independence Day. Today, we complete 75th years of independence. And what a long road it has been to reach where we are and breathe here in an independent nation. The journey of freedom from 200 of slavery and injustice from British would not be possible without our freedom fighters and the brave soldiers who fearlessly fought. The fight still goes on. Many brave fighters and soldiers are still protecting us from other nations by putting their lives on the line so that we could be with our family and be home safe at the end of the day. For this, we acknowledge their efforts and I'm very grateful to every soldier of this country for being the bravest heroes who go through the pain and struggle only to provide us with a peaceful life. For every soldier, their nation for which the stars come first, even before their own family. A soldier never hesitates to sacrifice their own life for the safety of their nation. The soldiers are constantly living in the various life-threatening conditions. They remain unsure about when they will be able to return to their own home and meet their own family. My heart is filled with respect and love, and my eyes get moist for the splendid brave deeds of the soldiers and their sacrifices. And now, I would like to end my speech with a poem written by Vishal Sharma, dedicated to all the brave soldiers of our nation. If I die in a war zone, box me up and send me home. Put my medals on my chest, tell my mom I did my best. Tell my dad not to bow, they wouldn't get tension from me now. Tell my brother to study perfectly, the keys of my bike will rest permanently. Tell my sister not to be upset, her brother will take a long sleep after sunset. Tell my nation not to cry because I am a soldier and I am born to die. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
You can record your own voice and hear it. Okay. The speech you have recited here, okay, you can practice it by recording on your phones and then you can hear it, what actually your audience are hearing. Okay. So you will know what volume you should speak and where to put the stress. First thing, this thing I would like to mention every one of you, okay? Whenever you are writing something emotional, okay? When you, अगर आप इंडिपेंडेंस डे का लिख रहे हैं स्पीच, तो आपकी स्पीच क्या है वो बहुत इमोशनल होनी चाहिए बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर कंट्री, राइट? तो जो इमोशन है, इमोशन आपको तभी उभर के आएगा तब जब आप उसमें इमोशन डालेंगे वर्ड्स में, ठीक है? इमोशंस कैसे डालेंगे? सेंटेंस के किस वर्ड पे कहाँ प्रेशर पड़ना है, आपका जो प्रेशर है वो सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट पे हमेशा आ रहा था, तो वो जो फ्लो कट जा रहा है, ठीक है, वो ऐसे ऐसे जा रहा है तो ये फ्लैट हो जाएगा, ठीक है? तो आपको क्या करना है, वर्ड्स खोजने हैं जिन पे स्ट्रेस पड़े, ठीक है, ताकि फ्लो अच्छा लगे, ठीक है? आपने जो लास्ट में वो रिसाइट किया है, ठीक है, उसके हर लाइन में जब आप फर्स्ट वर्ड पे आप जब प्रेशर डाल रहे हैं तो आपका प्रेशर जाकर फिर वो पूरा ऐसे नीचे गिर जा रहा है फ्लो आपका, ठीक है? वैसा नहीं करना है, वो आपका फ्लो में जाना चाहिए। वर्ड्स उसमें से और निकालिए, उस पर प्रेशर डालिए, ठीक है, ताकि सेंटेंस जो है वो आपका अच्छा लगे सुनने में। रिकॉर्ड करके सुनिए, देन यू विल नो कि कहाँ पर प्रेशर ज्यादा डालना है, कहाँ पर प्रेशर कम करना है, ठीक है? वन मोर थिंग, आप लोग सबका मैंने ये चीज नोटिस किया है, आपका एक टोन है जिसमें आप सेंटेंस हमेशा पढ़ते हैं, राइट? तो वो जो टोन जो है वो आपका पढ़ने का टोन है, स्पीच का वो टोन नहीं आना चाहिए, ओके? स्पीच का आपका फ्लो आना चाहिए, ठीक है? इमोशंस आने चाहिए। जैसे आप रीड करते हैं न्यूज़पेपर या फिर कोई भी नॉवल वगैरह रीड कर रहे हैं तो रीडिंग का टोन अलग होता है, ठीक है? स्पीच का टोन अलग होता है, उसमें आपको ये चीज देखनी होगी कि कहाँ प्रेशर डालना है, कहाँ प्रेशर नहीं डालना है, ठीक है? अंडरस्टूड? ओके, वन मोर थिंग, आपने स्लोगन जो डाला है स्लोगन ना, वो स्लोगन कहाँ पर है, स्टार्टिंग में कि एंड में? एंड में है, स्टार्टिंग में भी एक डालिए या फिर बीच में। ऑल्सो आपने पर्सनल टच नहीं डाला है अपने स्पीच में, दिस इज इंफॉर्मेटिव स्पीच, ठीक है? आप पर्सनल टच डालिए, दैट विल बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग टू लिसन, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा पर्सनल टच डालिए, दैट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर यू गोइंग टू कंट्रीब्यूट फॉर इंडिया। आप जो बोल रहे हैं कि आप दोनों की स्पीच में ये लिखा हुआ है कि we owe our independence to the freedom fighters. Okay, that is the past. Okay, also mention the present and your future and what exactly your contribution will be to the future of our country. Okay, get my point? Okay, very good. So next who will come? Start.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Mala Kumari. Today, I would like to present a speech on child labor in India. According to the National Census 2011, there are 4.35 million child labor in India. The age of children falls in this between 4 to 15 years. This number is increasing day by day. This shameful figure raises many questions for us. This is not new in India. Child labor has a very old history. At one time, children were employed for simple and harmless jobs. They were used in agricultural jobs or a small household chores. But now they are employed in many big industries. They are paid less. This is why they are always in demand. They are employed in diamond industries, carpet making, silk weaving, firework making, and even in coal mining. There are many reasons which force children to work. Increasing population and poverty are the main reasons. Poor parents send their children to work so that they can earn some money and fight with the households. Financial crisis. In village bounded labor still exists. Poverty pushes children into the world of child labor. There are many bad consequences of child labor. It affects the health of children. They remain illiterate. They don't get proper food and nutrition. It leads to many diseases overall. It has bad effect on country's economic literacy and standard of living. Many NGOs are Bachpan Bachao Andolan, Yet India, Child Fund, Childline, etc. are working in this direction. Many strict laws have been passed to stop child labor. If we find any such case around us, we should report it to the police. One day we will definitely get rid of it. That day, the lost smile will return on the face of millions of poor children. And then our country will be able to free itself from the thoughts of child labor.
Okay.